Excellent. Now we are ready. Let's start creating the first ad. So here we are on ads.linkedin.com and we click on create ad. And let's see, the system is driving us, is asking me for my username and passwords to confirm that I am logging here. And here we have the three options I told you in the last video: the sponsor content, text ad, and sponsor email. And if you want to see and have more information about each one of these, you can click on learn more and you see how it looks like. Basically, in this case, we are promoting your post. And the second one, this is how it looks like. It's a square box on your profile, in the right side of your customer's profile, with your headline, your logo, and a small description. And the last one is the sponsor email that we are doing here too, where you can send messages directly to anyone on LinkedIn using sponsor email ads, okay? So first on this video, we will do the sponsor content. So click on select here. Excellent. Now we need to continue. They are asking us if do you already have a company or showcase on LinkedIn? Yes, we have a company page. We just created one. If you don't have, you can say no and build one new company page clicking on this link. But we did that in the last video. So here we type and we search for your company name. On this case, the one we created is AdMind. You see here the logo, AdMind Education Management, 1 to 10 employees. This is the one. Account name, you can enter an account name for this ad. So I will say content ad LinkedIn. You can enter any name that you want up to 100 characters here. Currency, you can choose the currency that you have right now and click on next. Excellent. Now let's see. Excellent. Here we are, enter the campaign name. Now we need to enter the campaign name. In this case, we are creating a sponsor ads for post. Okay. Choose the language of your target audience. So if you want to reach people that speak English, you can select English. If you want to reach people, for example, that speak Portuguese, this is the one that you need to select. That's good. Let's move forward. What do you want to happen after member click on your ad? Do you want to send people to your website or to your content? Or you want to collect leads using LinkedIn lead generation? So this is to collect leads, name and emails, or this is to send people to a specific URL, to your website, to your offer. And this is the one that I am using right now. So select this one. If you want to collect leads, you can select the other one and click on next. Okay, now we need to select the post, the updates that we want to sponsor. In this case, this is the only one I have right now. I just created a new post here on my company page, and you already know how to do that. Promoting one of my new courses about the Facebook retargeting. So this is the one that I will select. I created this literally 27 seconds ago. We have still 0 likes and 0 comments, of course. You select the one that you like. If you don't find the one that you like here, you can go to your company page on LinkedIn, create a new post there, and come back and refresh the page, and you will see the new post available for ads, okay? So this is the one we want. Click on next now. Excellent. So now we need to talk about your target audience. Here you need to select the people that will be able to see your ad. And we are almost at the end of the process here. So target by, you can select the audience below or apply previously saved template. If you have a target audience already saved on your account, you can use this one. For now, we will create a brand new audience for you, okay? What location do you want to target? You are probably already know this. You can include and exclude people. So I will include people from United States, for example. Let's include people from Canada. I will also like to include people from India. And you can choose all the areas, the cities that you want. You can enter your address here. You can enter your state, a city, a specific town. Or you can click on the full list and you will see the full list of all North America, for example, United States, let's say California. You have the city here. So you can choose the cities and the countries that you want. And also you can exclude people from specific areas, okay? So let's move forward. Here we need to select specific targeting criteria for your target audience. So you can say, okay, company name. Let's say I want to target people from Udemy. So I can type the company name, include all the employees from Udemy. Or I can exclude people too using the same methods. Let's see, company industry, company size, job title. I can use the job function, job senior, member, gender, years of experience, member age, company followers, all these area, member skills. So if you want to just target people that have skills on Facebook, let's say Facebook marketing. So basically by doing that, I am promoting, remember, my last course, which is about Facebook retargeting. So I'm targeting only people that are good at Facebook marketing, but maybe they want to learn more about Facebook retargeting, which is an advanced Facebook marketing strategy. So by doing that, I am selecting the right group of people. The goal here, guys, is to select the absolute best profile for your customer. So in this case, you need to put yourself in your customer's shoes and think about your customer profile. What do they like? What are the specific skills that they have in order to target them? And when they see your ad, when they see your information, your products, your services here on LinkedIn, they will click on that and they will be ready to purchase your product. That's the goal, okay? So spend some time here because this is super important. If we are not showing your ad to the right group of people, you won't have any good results, okay? So that's why I always recommend to my clients, my students, my friends to spend time here creating your target audience. Think about it. Grab a piece of paper, a pen, and just make a list of all the skills that your customer have, or what they are looking for, what are the interests, where do they live, and all this information is crucially super important here when we are selecting your target audience, okay? Excellent. So next, let's see here, save the audience and template. You can save as a new template if you want. You can enter the name of the audience. I won't save it for now. When you are ready, you click on next. Excellent. Now we are in the part of bid, budget, and duration. This is important too. We have two options here, the bid type. We can use the cost per click, which is the CPC, or we can choose the cost per impression, CPM. If you choose cost per impression, you will pay every time your ad is viewed. Even if they are not clicking, if they are not interacting or engaging with your ad, you will be paying if you use the CPM version, cost per impressions. If you choose the CPC, you are paying only when somebody clicks on your ad. Doesn't matter if the ad is showing to thousands, millions of people. If they don't click on it, you are not paid anything, okay? So you can choose whatever you want. I recommend you to start to use the CPC, the cost per click. And you have here the daily budget, the minimum is $10. In this case, we have the 25 here. Let's say I want to change to 20. You can choose the number that you want here. The bid, this is how much you are bidding. This is the maximum bid that you are offering, that you are authorizing LinkedIn to charge you for every single ad click. So every time somebody clicks, you will pay up to this amount here. And they are saying the suggested bid for this audience is $3.69. This is just a suggestion. And the minimum bid will be $1.50. Let's say $1.50 here. So you are paying up to that amount. Okay, but you can choose the bid that you want. The higher the bid, the more higher the chances for your ad to be shown to people that are in this specific target audience. Also, we have the start date, start immediately, and you can schedule, or you can schedule the start. You can say, okay, I don't want to start today. I want to start like in 2 days or something like that. I will say start immediately. And an end date. This is good. Remember, most people don't set an end date. So basically the ad keeps running all the time. And this is bad in case you forget about it. Sometimes when I have new students and people are learning this, sometimes they set up the ad and they forget about it. And at the end of the month, they receive a huge bill from ad charges from these social media platforms. That's why it's important to set an end date. So you will say, let's say that we start today, the 21st, let's run this for 2 more days. So until Sunday, you can run that, or you can say run indefinitely if you want, okay? Total budget in dollars is the maximum, the minimum budget will be $20. What's your total budget? This is the daily budget, minimum $10, I put 20. And you can select the total budget. This is important because, again, if you say run indefinitely and you don't set a total budget, it will actually keep accumulating charges for you. So let's say that I want to spend maximum $50 here. Okay, Let's click on next. Wonderful. Now we are in the last stage, the checkout page. We are seeing here all the details. The sponsor ad, this is the name of my specific campaign. This is the name of the product. Duration from this day to this day. The bid I choose is $1.50 in CPC, cost per click. The daily budget is up to $20 on a maximum total budget for all the campaign of $50, okay? So here we have my name, my credit card number I need to enter right now, expiration date, all that good stuff. And when I am ready, I will enter this right now. I will stop the video before that. I will enter this information, click on review order, and that's it. When I click review order, LinkedIn will receive my order. They will see if they approve or not the specific ad that I am proposing. If they approve, that's great. I will receive a notification and the ad will start running immediately following this recipe that we created here, showing to my target audience that we also created here on this video. And after 2 days, on this case, it will stop and I can analyze the results. So I hope you take action on this. This is important, guys. You can invest just a little bit for 1-2 days to see how it works, to see the interaction, to see the engagement that you are having from your audience. Remember that it's good to create great content before promoting to your audience. Make sure you have a great post. Make sure you are touching your customer heart with what they need, with what they are looking for. That's the most important thing. So when they see your ad, they will be happy to click on the ad and maybe purchase your product or services, okay? So let's do that, and after that, in the next video, we will continue with the course, creating the second most famous ad here on LinkedIn. See you there.